Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today is part 2 of me showing you how I make the, what that
Bammy.
The bammy. And so this is the cassava that in part 1, as we showed you, how Mr. Manley dig it up and how we got it and how we peeled it and we grated.
That's running God.
We peeled it and we grated it, and I showed you how I wring it out with the cloth. And today now we make up a little fire here with my little pot, my little 3-foot pot, and we put it here, there. And you know, remember I show you how we take it and we do this to get out the lumps and to get it as smooth as you can. So this is really bush living, you know. This kind of food goes back from way back, right, Mr. Manley?
Yeah, man.
I know you're saying just put the thing in the pot is ready. So what I do, I just put it down like this, and I try to make it as my finger will do.
Real bush lady.
So I put it down in the pot and you just press it down just to make sure it stays, and the bammy, the starch that is in the bammy is going to hold it. So when you're doing this work, it's a messy job. It makes all around you white, your clothes white, your station white. But because we are in the bush now, we are not worried about the white, the mess that it will make. Normally when I do this at home, I leave it like for 8 minutes. 8 minutes on low. I'll make the pot hot and then I time it for 8 minutes, and then I let it cook.
Cover it now.
Cover?
Cover.
We don't need to cover it. I don't think we need to cover it. We have a cover here, but I don't think we need to cover it really. So I don't think 8 minutes has gone. But because we have the wood fire will be hotter.
Yeah, that's hot.
When you do that, turn it.
Yeah.
Turn it.
Not turning yet?
No, man.
I think you're ready for turn.
All right.
All right.
Let the expert tell you.
Mr.
Right, Mr. Manley?
He's the one who told me how to make it. But I am thinking that because it's wood fire, we need to turn it now. But you know what I'm also looking at? You know how when you're baking, and when you're baking you can see the edge of the whatever you're baking moving from the edge. So I'm kind of watching that too to see if the edge will give me a sign. And I think the sign is there.
No, yeah, no. Fire, they come up now. Fire, they get root now.
Oh boy.
I think we can turn it now. I'm gonna try to do this.
All right.
And then, look at this! Simple life! My bammy! Woo! And then I use my hand, Mr. Manley. Use my hand again and just press it down. I don't need to stir up the fire because you don't need it too...
It's already hot.
Yeah, you don't need it too hot. And one thing I should tell you, because we're in the bush, you can put, according to how you use salt, you put some salt to taste in this. And you can actually take it up and taste it to see if it have enough salt.
I would flavor it up.
With what?
A little garlic, a little onion powder, Little seasons.
No, that's not
Yeah, just
traditional. Coconut.
The sugar in it. If you have coconut, you go to it and mix with it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So Wally said no. Well, that's my take.
That's your thing. Yeah, because you don't want it savory. And I wouldn't want it sweet. I would just want
The
bammy.
tradition.
Tradition.
All right.
Yes. So just some salt.
All
And
right.
you could add some salt in it and mix it up. Okay.
Put a little
Yes. So
I think you're ready.
I know
No,
I am
you're
not
dead, man.
feeling the heat coming up to the top as yet.
All right.
Because I knew from before
Okay.
how to check it.
Make it
I'm-
no.
I'm just
You
look.
hurt you and you hurt you with the heat now.
Yeah.
I'm just looking at the fire underneath it.
No,
That's a lot of fire.
It's like I was saying, bammy is so easy to do. It's not hard.
It's not hard. Find you get accustomed to it. It's not hard.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
not hard. I just think to it, I figure it out.
Yes.
I wring it out.
If you drink anybody, you can't grate tight.
Yes.
I just think to me, not grate tight.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. And what I realized, because the bammy fresh, and because the bammy is not, it's fresh and it's not old. It's young bammy. So it was
Cassava, young cassava.
cassava, Mr. Manley. It was easy for me to grate it. So it was good. So, yeah. I'm thinking it's ready now. Could stay another minute. Yes. So you see how we do it, Simple Life? I walk with all my thing come to the bush so that I can do the bammy to give you an outdoor experience so I don't have to do everything at home in the kitchen. So I pray and hope that you appreciate this video because that's how I am appreciating the
The surrounding.
outside. Yeah.
Take care of it, Casey.
Huh? Yes, it's ready. The heat has risen and I can feel, so I know the heat has come up in the middle and it's ready to go. How do you like to eat your bammy, Simple Life? Let me know.
All right.
Praise the Lord. So here you have it, Simple Life. Bammy,
You don't put no money there.
Right in the bush.
made in the bush, made from scratch. So
You don't put the back fire.
yeah, I'm gonna do the rest, but I just wanna close off this here now by saying,
Let me taste it.
you wanna taste it?
Yeah, I'll taste it.
I'm not even gonna bother to cut it with the knife. Oh, so you need
Gummy.
yes.
Somebody, you know, taste
You
it.
put salt in there.
Don't say that, but no.
How is
Okay,
it?
yeah, put it nice.
It's not my eating time. You tell me.
What? Right, taste it, Bobby. Somebody, taste it.
You know you're a joke.
Okay,
Somebody
so
want to make more.
okay, so Simple Life. This is all for now. Thank you for coming on here with us. That should be enough now. So when you're doing it, Simple Life, try to make sure it's kind of even out. So you fan it out to do, and then you start to press it down. So thank you for coming. So you see, my husband has tried it and he has given it his approval.
Yeah.
So until next time,
You gonna
bye
get
for
some
now.
fried fish? You have some fried fish here?
No fish. So thank you for subscribing and liking and sharing. Until then, bye.
Right.